You're looking at the Uncle Henry LB7 Bear Paw Lockback folding knife. Even at rest, the classic timeless look of the LB7 speaks of its legendary past and gives hints of its future legacy. From the brushed brass finished bolsters to the glinting silver of the fine-edged blade, nestled between rustic, stained wood handle scales, complete with matching brass finished pins, the Bear Paw is truly a work of art. Designed for everyday carry, the LB7 Bear Paw's stout build and versatility satisfies the needs of outdoor enthusiasts, tradesmen, ranchers, and farmers. The clip point works well for piercing, and the razor-sharp fine edge is excellent for skinning, slicing, carving, and any other cutting tasks. Use the blade's classic nail pull to coax the 3.7-inch 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel blade into action. When fully open, the 5-inch blade is held securely in place by the sturdy lockback mechanism. The gentle spine side curve of the full 4 3/4-inch handle conforms to the palm, while the inward curve of the lower handle rests easily in your hand, lending the familiar comfort of an old friend. To store the blade, press the lockback mechanism down with your thumb or forefinger and close the blade carefully with your other hand until it rests between the inner brass liners. A handsome chestnut brown, 100% leather sheath with single snap comes standard and slides easily over your belt, keeping the LB7 ready at your side, or simply slip the non-snag Bear Paw into a pocket or pouch for everyday carry. For a part of the past in the palm of your hand, grip a legend, the Uncle Henry LB7 Bear Paw Lockback folding knife. It's tough as the day is long. Find this legendary Uncle Henry knife online or at your favorite local retailer. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter for news, tips, and new product releases. To learn more about our great knives and gear, visit www.schrade.com/Uncle Henry.